you tired of calorie counting apps and food scales to determine how many calories you're taking in throughout the day? You are not alone. If you're a busy professional, you understand that you just don't have time to deal with this kind of stuff. And that's why I have solved this for you by creating a very special app that I'm going to offer to you for 100% free. My name is Jim O'Connor from wellnessword.com. May I introduce you to my new app? It's called the Hand Portion Calorie Tracker. It's based on the precision nutrition method of just using your hand to determine the portion size of carbohydrates, fats, as well as protein. All you do is just simply put it in the app, and the app will do the magic for you in terms of the calculations, determine exactly how many calories you're taking in, how many grams of protein, how many grams of carbohydrates, and how many grams of fat. It works that simple and just by using your hand. Here is exactly how it works. I would like to welcome you to Wellness Word's Hand Portion Calorie Tracking Tool. It's simple and intuitive calorie tracking with hand portions. So here's how it works. It's based on the website and it's an app. It's 100% free. Use it. So you're going to click male or female, and then you're going to go to how many palm-sized portions of protein did you consume today. As an example, I'm going to click the plus button for myself. I had 5 palm-sized portions of protein today. Then I'm going to go to vegetables. How many fist-sized portions of vegetables did I have? I had 4 fist-size portions of vegetables. I'm going to click that. How many cup hand portions of carbohydrates did I consume? I'm trying to cut back and lose a little body fat, so I'm going to say I did 3 for the day. And how many thumb-sized portions of fat did I ingest today? And I'm going to put 4 on there as well. So the next step is to press this magic button right here, and all the math is taken care of for you. You don't even need to think. It's all taken care of. So I'm going to click Calculate Nutrition and Calories. Voila, there it is. Nutrition breakdown: 143 grams of protein I consumed today, 113 grams of carbohydrates I consumed, and I consumed 61.5 grams of fat for 1,578 calories. And below that, there's a hand portion guide available to you. It kind of shows you what a palm equals for protein, what a fist equals for vegetables, what a cupped hand equals for carbs, and what a thumb size or what a thumb equals for fat. I hope you enjoy the app, and the best of success to you in reaching your goals. Now, there's no downloads, no logins. It's just fast, practical results that you deserve. It's based on the precision nutrition method of just using your hand. So try the app right now. It's 100% free. So click the button below and I'll see you in the app. Have fun using it. And if you need further assistance in private coaching, click the button below the app and I'll take you to my neurobody transformation coaching. It's a cutting edge system that we are using right now to help change people's lives.